Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss about some stock that can be a very good structure for upcoming days like a breakout. So hope you will like this video. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel and like this video for upcoming video and learning purpose structures. So now we are coming on chart and our first stock for tomorrow or maybe upcoming days is Gujarat Gas. So as we can see here, some good selling pressure we seen in our last trading sessions as market was also in a very good selling. So what we are seeing here from last 2 or 3 days, some buyers are coming in this stock and we can expect to 385 level as a bottom for short term, and today closing was 400. So what we are expecting here in coming days, we are expecting 409 to 410 level as a first target, 420 and 22 as a second target, or may it can hit to 440 to 450 in upcoming days, and it will totally invalid if able to sustain below 380 level. That is our stop loss for in next January. So our next stock is PVR-Inox. So what we are expecting here, PVR in a media sector, and media sector is looking very good from here. So what we are expecting in PVR, today's closing is 1010 level. So that zone can be a good support for PVR-Inox, and what we are expecting 985 to 970, 965 level, we can consider this level as a good support zone. If PVR able to sustain below 965 level, then again it will able to enter in a bear market. But if able to sustain above this level, like 1025 level, it will a good breakout structure, and upcoming days we can expect 1050, 1070 as a first target. Then next target can hit by 11,000 to sorry 1100 to 1116 in upcoming days. So now our next stock is cash counter. Uh, Name is Apollo Pipes Limited. So first, if you are able to come on a higher time frame like monthly time frame, what we are seeing here, this stock already enter in a monthly time frame, and same structure also available on a weekly time frame. So what we are expecting here from 310 stop loss, I am looking very good stock. Stock can be a good breakout structure in upcoming days if market not trap. So 310 level looking very good for support level for Apollo pipes, and once stock able to sustain above 345 level, it be a very good structure for big breakout from in coming support. And our next stock is ZEEL. So ZEEL, why I am discussing this stock, because media sector can be a very good boom in coming days, because that media sector also taking support or higher time frame. So that stock not in a FNO segment, and that was once a time that stock in a FNO segment, but now this is totally out from FNO segment. So now what we are expecting here from very big correction, after that we are expecting now today's closing is 150 level. So if ZEEL able to sustain above 200 102 or 103 level, that can be a good breakout structure, and maybe in coming days it can hit 106, 108, 1010 as a first and second target. Now after once it will able to sustain above 112 level, it can be hit by 118 and 120 in upcoming days. It will totally invalid if closing and sustain below 94 level. That can be a support level according to CMP. Now we are coming on a automobile sector. So I am choosing Tata Motors. That is my favorite stock and already corrected from higher level. So now what we are expecting in coming days, from last 3 or 4 session we are seeing here price going down, but we are expecting and we are seeing also at the end at a closing time we are seeing that some buyers are coming on this stock. So what we are expecting, today's closing is 690 level. So once stock means Tata Motors able to sustain above 690 or maybe 92 level, it be a very good breakout structure, and may it can hit 700 as a first target, 710 as a second target, or may it can hit 720 to 25 level in coming days. Now, according to CMP, what I am expecting, that level can be a very good support level, and if break again 665 level in coming days, then again that stock can be a enter in a good bear zone. Now I am coming on a next stock, that is a Maruti Suzuki, same also on from automobile sector. So again we seen here around 2% correction on a single day on our today's closing, and today's closing is 12,440 level. So if correction still continue in this stock, what we are expecting, that zone can be a very good saver zone for a every save bulls player. If price come is in this range around 12,013 to 11,800 level, that can be a very good zone to fresh entry again for a bull trade. But what we can expect, or what how can we enter in this zone? I think we should go on a lower time frame like 15 minutes, because stock price is very bigger. So we will go on a 15-minute time frame and wait for a range breakout, or wait for a some bullish structure. If some bullish structure will form on a 15-minute time frame, then definitely we can go for a long trade. Now we are coming on a next stock, that is a Siemens Limited. So Siemens Limited, what showing here, market again showing some good bullishness. If that bullishness will continue in upcoming days, then definitely Siemens India will lead here, because today's closing is 5025 level, and according to CMP I am expecting here 4769 level as a good support level. If able to sustain below, then that support will help it to go very big bear zone. Otherwise, if able to sustain tomorrow, if tomorrow's, sorry, if able to sustain above today's high, it can be a very good for a upper range. It can be hit 5090 level as a first target, 5170 as a second target, or may it can hand 5490 level as a third target in Siemens Limited. So now we are coming on a next stock, that is a INDUSIND Bank. So if we are, first of all, we are coming on a small disclaimer. So if you are watching this video and trying to put some entry, or some trying to put some order in any kind of stock after watching this video, so first of all I want to clear one thing. This video is totally for my educational purpose. I am just sharing my view and not recommending anyone to enter in any kind of stock, any kind of index. So better to go on chart and try to your research with, if your research matching with anyone, then you can go with double confirmation, otherwise you can ignore it, because your money is very valuable for you. So better to go with your study. If any kind of risk looking very bigger in any kind of stock or any kind of index, then you should ignore it. So now we are coming on INDUSIND Bank chart. What we are seeing, same almost Tata Motor structure uh, forming here, and today's closing is 1047 level. So we can try to break out a structure if able to sustain above 1051 or 1055 level. It can be a very good first target from IndusInd Bank. 1065 as a first target, 1070 as a second target, or may it can hit 1085 level in coming days. Now, according to CMP, support level is 1010 level as a support level. If again IndusInd Bank able to break this level, again it will enter in a bear mode. Now our next stock is from energy sector and name is PETRONET. So if you are watching here, what we are expecting here, today's closing is 306 or 7, and that zone can be a good enter point for a bear market. So if price hit this area, we will go on a 5 minute time frame and try to put some pressure on chart if it will showing some good bearness, or maybe it can hit some showing some good breakdown level on a lower time frame, then definitely we can scalp some put entry. So you can consider this zone as a selling zone. Range is 320 to 313 or 14 level. So better to go with confirmation, otherwise you can ignore it. So our next stock is GSPL. So what is GSPL? First of all, I want to tell you, I already shared this chart on our Telegram channel and sharing many things on our Telegram channel. So if you are new on this YouTube channel and still not join our Telegram channel, you can join it. Telegram channel link already provided in this video description box. You can go and you can join it, where we are providing many things, many study on a regular basis. So first of all, if we are discussing this video, so name is GSPL, Gujarat State Petro Limited. So what you are expecting? Price already corrected from very higher range to very low range. On daily time frame, what we are seeing here, same almost AU bank structure looking here. So support zone already marked here. Support zone is 282 to 275 level. If able to break 275 and sustain below, then again it will enter in a bear mode. But first thing, the stock is a cash counter. We can enter only in cash because this stock not added in a FNO segment. So once that stock able to sustain above 290 level, I am expecting very good breakout structure in this stock. So you can also radar this stock as a equity, as a cash counter. So our next stock is IRB Infra. Someone asking about IRB Infra. So as you know that, if you are our old viewer, you already know. In previous video, I already shared this stock for a good support level. I also shared my view. If it will break again, it will enter in a bear mode. Otherwise, stock is at a support level. So what we are expecting here, today's closing is 47.81 and one resistance we are waiting here. So 48.20 level is a good resistance level for IRB Infra. Once able to sustain above it, what we are expecting here, 49 to 50, 49.50 to 50 level as a first target, 50.50 as a second target, or may it can hit 53 to 55 level in upcoming days. So better to sustain above 48.20 level, then it will be a very good breakout structure. And once stock again able to trade below 45 level, again it will be enter in a very bear mode. Now our next stock is Aarti Industries. So what we are expecting here, we can go very short stop loss, and CMP was it means today's closing is 422, and it will totally invalid if able to sustain below 405 level at least 1 hour closing basis, and stock looking very good. If market not trap as what we are expecting, Aarti Industry should hit 430 as a first target, 440 and 45 as a second target, or it can hit 460 to 75 level as a third target in coming days. And our today's last stock is Engineers India. So first of all, some members are asking for a index video. So we are not discussing stocks in a same video, because index video already uploaded on same channel. If you are not watch it, you can go and you can check our previous video that is totally on an index view for tomorrow. And some members are also messaging me कि सर आप हिंदी में वीडियो क्यों आप लोग शूट नहीं करते हैं, क्योंकि हमें समझ नहीं आता। तो थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन है, क्योंकि कई लोग का ये मैसेज आता है कि सर आप इंग्लिश में वीडियो शूट कीजिए क्योंकि हमें समझ नहीं आता, और कई लोग हमें मैसेज करते हैं कि सर हिंदी में शूट कीजिए, हमें समझ नहीं आता। अब ट्राई करते हैं, अब सभी का सॉल्यूशन निकालने का। अब किस तरीके से करना है, एक बार थोड़ा प्लानिंग करना पड़ेगा, बाकी देखते हैं कैसे करना है। So our next and last stock is Engineers India Limited, and today's closing is 175 level. So first of all, who are waiting for a good breakout. So if you are if you don't want to enter with very big risk, so you can wait this level again. If Engineers India again able to touch this level around 160 to 156 level and showing some bullishness on 15-minute time frame, then again we can enter here for long trade with a stop losses 145 147 at least 15-minute time frame closing. And who are watching for breakout level, so first of all Engineers India need to sustainable 183 184 level. Once able to sustainable, we can see in coming days it can hit 190, 198, or it can hit 205 and 210 level upcoming days. So that is our study on stock for coming days or maybe tomorrow. Hope you will like this video. If this video helpful for you, please like this video, or you can subscribe our channel, and you can share this video as well. So now we will meet on tomorrow on Telegram channel. So please like and subscribe our channel.